This question belongs to aptitude subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 3. So the question states, while trying to collect an envelope from under the table, Mr. X fell down and was losing consciousness. And here are the markings 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which one of the following underlined parts of the sentence is not appropriate? Okay, see, this part of the sentence, while trying to collect an envelope from under the table, in which tense it is? It is in the present continuous tense. Okay, tense. And the tense of this statement, Mr. X fell down, is simple past. Simple past. And was losing consciousness, Mr. X was losing consciousness in the tense past continuous. Now there is something wrong if we are using past continuous and simple past in this sentence. Why is it wrong? So the grammar is like, grammar or you can say rule is that if you want to use past continuous and simple past tense together let us suppose this is represented by statement B and this is represented by statement C. Then we want to show that one thing happened in middle of the other. So it is used only when one thing happened in the middle of other. So let us take the example. I was making notes and the doorbell rang. So this statement, the doorbell rang, is past continuous and I was making notes is simple past. So if we can use past continuous along with simple past when the doorbell rang is the event that occurred in middle of the action of making notes. But here it is saying Mr. X fell down and was losing consciousness. So actually first Mr. X fell down and then he lost consciousness. So this statement C happened after B. So if we want to use both of them together, then this statement should happen along with the statement B. So we can rewrite this something like Mr. X fell down and lost consciousness. So if we can write it like this, then this statement is past continuous and it can occur with simple past tense because this lost consciousness statement happened in middle of Mr. X falling down. So actually the statement that is false over here is D, option 4. Was losing consciousness is past. If we want to use it, then we have to rewrite it as lost consciousness.